case say youth na enhu problems aye wo a omo betimi say coming together in teams to grant no professor solution bi na aye anase opportunities no ene ni ho a ebe mu mo ahyase
we share your history more. The foundation of education, my kind documents kakra. Dodo no ano started say omo kire say besi atwere ne akan. Oman kire say betima yusu ya adwen dia solve bi. So we share mathematics, science, engineering, technology, education. Sebe and not so pa betima change your culture no sir. They see as oko pokware and as oko universities here we krom here. Most of the courses were here no. Set computer skill, mathematics skill, very low. We share courses in the higher percentage, you know, a bit more of reading. And me imagine say, fast background, we are a mouse certificate. But say I obey skill, I obey even engineering. I'm going we no. Yeah, I mean to me, build the machine business because a theory near the mommy. I don't have any problem with that. But I was saying industry be over, make my training be 5 years.
From there, University of Science and Technology. Near Titi was engineer. Not theory in Kwani, the man no nimsenia, Obekanda, the album, you don't have a problem.
Again, said this, no matter for your major automobile company, the same degree. The boy only say when your industry coy.
So we have a problem when
no, not the school. The problem is with the industry.
So we see a theory new year, baby.
I will baby, near training. A ho and a problem. Then yes, say school no, because say Ford was in university. Or be company no building. You know, all the camera or any university in the building, industry will be company. Into ho and anka we are near the Wakwa. So ko young child. To 5 years, 10 years. Now I master. We need technical skills. Maybe we know.
Na say industry nini ha esi dey ene yetete e wo sa ade anim